What will be the first place you will want to go after COVID ends?
College, because I'm so excited to meet each and every one of you in person. जिनसे मैंने फोन पे बात करी है, कभी बात भी नहीं करी है. Still I'm so excited to meet each and every one of you because I know you all are amazing beings. Okay?
College. Undoubtedly college. As I'm just dying to visit my college campus and I'm so eager to meet all of my friends. लेकिन ये कोरोना खत्म का ही नहीं हो रहा है बे.
Okay, the first place that I want to visit after the COVID gets over it has to be Miranda House, Delhi. And who doesn't want to visit Miranda House? Like, it's my dream to visit those corridors, those gardens. And yes, it has to be Miranda House.
So, the first place I would go after my college opens is the streets, क्योंकि I have to try every possible Delhi का street food or street shopping. Yes, so the streets.
The first place that I'd go to after COVID ends would be a national park because everybody's going to a national park and that makes me jealous.
जस्ट वांटेड टू गो कॉलेज बिकॉज हमारी फर्स्ट ईयर और फ्रेशर्स की तो बाट लग चुकी है. अब जैसे कोविड ख़त्म होगा सबसे पहले सिर्फ कॉलेज जाना है.
So as soon as the college opens up, I'll really love to go to explore all the street foods in Delhi. Like as far as Miranda is concerned, I love to go out with my friends for all this exploring all the street foods as I'm a foodie. So I'll go and check out all those hubs of food, and also obviously my first foremost our college canteen. So these are the places where I'll go as soon as the college reopens.
Of course, college, I'm really excited to explore whole the campus and meet everyone in person. It would be really great to see all of you in front of my eyes.
The first place I want to visit after this COVID end is any one of the Indian heritage sites and also our college.
So after the COVID ends, I would love to go to, of course, my college, and after that, I would love to go to Sarojini because I've never visited there. So to do lots and lots of shopping.
The first place that I want to go after COVID ends is my college. I want to explore the whole campus, my college campus as well as the North campus. And I'm actually really very excited to meet all my friends with whom I have met virtually. So that is the thing that I want to do after COVID ends.
The first place I would go to would be Sarojini because I don't know, I've always dreamt of going there, so I'll take all my friends with me.
Did you expect that you'll get the admission in MH after seeing the cutoffs?
Into Miranda in the 5th cutoff, so obviously seeing the cutoffs, I was not expecting it at all, but I'm really happy I got into Miranda.
Okay, so before I answer this question that whether I expected to be the part of Miranda House after seeing the cutoffs, I want to congratulate each one of us for getting into Miranda because girls, it's itself a prestige of being called a Mirandian, and I'm so proud of it. Now coming back to the point that whether I expected or not. So yes, the cutoffs made me feel like I have not worked hard even a single day to prepare for my board so that I can score 99 or 100%. मतलब मजाक चल रहा है क्या? But I was fortunate enough to get into the first cutoff.
So after seeing the cutoffs of Miranda, I had no expectations of getting admission into MH, but luckily I got in 4th cutoff and I'm so happy.
So when I got admission in Miranda, I was very shocked because I never thought that I would get such a good college, and I was very shocked.
To be very fair, I really didn't think that I will get admission in Miranda, but then, especially after the first cutoff, after subsequent cutoffs happened, it just all fell into place, and I think I consider myself really lucky that I got admission here. Yeah.
What was your perspective about a girls' college before joining it, and how is it now?
Okay, so except for the last 4 years, all my school life has been in a co-ed school, and I'm used to that, and I was very disinclined to the idea of getting into a girls' college. And I have a genuine reason for preferring co-ed, and it is that, at the end of the day, the females have to accommodate themselves in the real world, which has males in it. So I don't really get the concept of girls' college separate, boys' college separate. Like, the training and everything starts at the school and college level, and hence it should be co-ed. That's what I feel. But it was not that big a factor that I would be eligible for Miranda and still not go there and just go to any other co-ed school for that matter. So I did get into Miranda House, and oh my lord, look at the drastic change in my perspective about a girls' college. Like, the level of growth and support that I'm getting here, it's amazing. Like, the women supporting each other, encouraging each other, empowering each other, and helping each other get better and better every day. It's beautiful here, and I'm loving the vibe. And I don't think I would have it any other way. I really don't think I would have gotten this much support and growth in a co-ed college. I'm just loving it here.
I had never ever imagined that I would go to a girls' college. I was in a co-ed school and I wanted to go into a co-ed college only. However, once I've gotten into this college, there are absolutely no cons but a lot of pros of getting into a girls' college. You can wear whatever you want, whatever, and you know that you're going to be comfortable. No one is going to give you those bad looks, and no one is going to judge you over there. Also, you can talk about anything and everything, and everyone is going to understand. Teachers are so good, and yeah, so it's altogether such a good experience to be in a girls' college.
I have never been in an all-girls institution, so I thought it would be something very different and difficult to be in, but I was totally wrong. I love Miranda House so much, and yeah, more power and love to all girls out there.
So, in my opinion, a typical girls' school or college was like filled up of all those typical girly environment over there.
इस साल फुटबॉल टीम की हेड cheerleader है moi. Tanya is Rani. Oh really? Congratulations. तुम्हें बुरा लग रहा होगा ना? क्योंकि ये
interactions, shy natured people, and just same people, like-minded people around, and no no diversity of thought. But after entering Miranda, my perception got changed like completely. I found a different level of comfort among all the girls I have here. I feel a different vibe with them, and yeah, it is a great experience to be in a women's college as well as it is in the co-ed ones. So yeah, obviously.
I think it is really good to be in girls' college. It would be really fun, and we can do whatever we want without any tension.
I am from an all-girls school, so I don't expect a lot of change, but I'm ready for everything, especially the gossiping.
Before and now, शर्म नहीं है क्वेश्चन पूछते हुए तुम्हें? I have been in all-girls school from last 12 years. क्या ये पर्सपेक्टिव होगा मेरा तो?
Joining Miranda was it would be really very comfortable and free to be in a girls' college, and but one thing that I feared was the girls in Miranda could be, or in any other girls' college, could be a bit judgmental. But after joining the college, my perspective was totally changed. Yeah, here now also I'm feeling really very comfortable and free to express myself.
What is the best and the worst thing you have heard about MH?
Okay, so the best and the worst things I've heard about Miranda, I think the best is definitely the exposure, and you meet such different people from different regions with such different personalities, and I have not heard anything worse, and I've yet to discover the worst, so yeah.
The best and the worst thing that I've heard about Miranda. Miranda is the best thing that'll ever happen to you. Miranda is the worst thing that'll ever happen to you.
I'll say both the good and bad things are kind of connected. Both of them are about Miranda being a girls' college. The good thing is that because it's a girl college, you can be yourself. Girls are more comfortable around girls itself. So that's the good thing. And the bad thing is because you're just around girls, so you're going to have a lot of cat fights and all. Which, yeah, I'm sure going to happen. But not that much because we're not that bad.
Okay, so the best thing that I have heard about Miranda House is like the studies, firstly. Secondly, the fest, which is amazing. Like, I have seen my sister's fest and it was like lit. And the worst thing, I guess, I haven't, but I say that the girls kind of, they used to fight a lot.
इसे बांधे रखूं या उड़ने दूं? हमेशा उड़ने दो। रिश्तों को जितना उड़ने दो वो उतने ही मजबूत हो जाते हैं।
But I haven't seen it yet in my batch because my batch is like too good. Like, I feel it's like a dream that I'm living in. That they are so good. I love you all. I love you all.
One of the best thing I have heard about Miranda House is that it ranks number 1 in NIRF, and the second, it's not like a verse, but it's not a co-ed.
What made you choose philosophy?
So the only reason why I chose philosophy as my subject was to get into Miranda House. Yes. Because the cutoffs were very mounting this time and I was not getting into it though I scored 98. So I just thought कि भाई ले लेते हैं philosophy because ये मिल रहा है and Miranda मिल रहा है तो जो होगा देखा जाएगा. But later on I realized that yeah, I just made the right step taking philosophy because it's interesting, it's scoring, and it can be taken as an optional in UPSC later on. So yeah, I'm satisfied.
I was getting through the cutoff, and also I had pol science as my other discipline, and also I was getting into Miranda, so I thought, okay, this would be the best decision I could ever take. So I took philosophy, and I don't think I regret the decision.
It was one of the things that I always wanted to study. I mean, it wasn't available in the school curriculum, and I just had immense interest because of the other things that I read off the internet or something. So now that I had the chance to study it in college, I didn't want to let it go. I mean, I had lots of choices among history, political science, and etc. But like, just general interest got me into here, and so far I think I'm loving it. It was a nice decision to just go with philosophy.
What would be the first thing you would do if the rules have been removed from your college for one day?
I would just rush to Miranda House and spend some time there with the lovely Mirandian friends that I've made. And it would be like a freshers get together within the college premises where, we explore the college and share our stories and everything. Of course, while taking due precautions against COVID, goes without saying. So that's what I really want to do if the restrictions are removed for one day, which please happens, please.
I would like to organize a couple party for our lovebirds of our college. Might we invite professor as well? खाएंगे पिएंगे ऐश करेंगे घूमेंगे फिरेंगे नाचेंगे गाएंगे ऐश करेंगे और क्या.
I would allow the students to bring their pets to the college so that we can meet the cute dogs and kids.
I am the one, the way your son don't need.
Thank you for watching the whole video.
खत्म. बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया.